It didn't take long for the dust to start bellowing from behind the trailers. However, not far up ahead, there's the station's boundary gate to open, and the Kenworth T658 comes to a gentle halt. Matt takes the opportunity to check the cattle while he's stopped before opening the gate. Then it's back on the road. Meantime, Shane just glides on through the open gate. There's an unwritten rule in the bush that you leave gates as you found them. Well, the camera crew had to shut the gate today. It's always an impressive sight to see the dust bellowing from a fully loaded triple road train in full flight. And we've been assured that there'll be plenty more of this to come along the way. For now though, the Oakdale drivers were keen to get to breakfast and pushed on along the relatively short run down through little creek crossings and wooded ground, where cattle nibble out a meagre existence, to the Gregory Development Road.